Hello, this is Soumitra Paul, founder of the Inside Sales Success platform Playbook AI. On the 8th of August, I'm conducting a workshop titled Accelerating Growth Using Account-Based Marketing at Digital Success Summit. Digital Success Summit is a massively successful tech sales and marketing conference held in Kolkata every year. In the last year's edition in 2018, more than 25 very experienced, highly successful entrepreneurs shared their learnings with an audience of 300 plus CXOs. It gathered a huge social media following with over 35 million impressions. Now, if you're a business owner, CEO, or a sales professional involved instrumentally in growing a B2B sales organization, I'm inviting you to join my workshop. In this workshop, which I have divided into 4 sessions of 30 minutes each, in each session we will review a case study, learn from the case studies the best practices and get insights, and we'll do an exercise. My goal for you is to walk away from this workshop with a customized account-based marketing playbook for your business, which will guide your team every day to increase sales conversions across the funnel, across every stage of the funnel, by using more powerful, more effective key account scoring and key account targeting mechanisms, and help your business development team add more deals every quarter to the pipeline using an account-based prospecting approach. I also have a huge surprise for you at the end of the workshop. So please hurry up, take action, register for the Digital Success Summit before the seats are sold out, and I'll see you there on 8th of August at Hotel Novotel in Newtown. See you around.